So I just interviewed Jeff Haddon from Inc. magazine for our podcast called On Top of PR. Jeff was a great guest. Jeff, thank you for being on the show. We really appreciate it. A couple of points he made that I think are worth sharing is that, PR people are pitching him the wrong way too often. It's so important to Jeff that he knows you first, that he's got a relationship with you. Don't come in with false gratitude or false praise to begin the interview or to begin your pitch. Really get to know him, spend some time reading his articles, be authentic if you're going to try to share praise and compliments with him. But more importantly for him, he wants a good story. So come to him with a good story. We shared kind of the idea that it's not about a corporation or a building, it's about the characters. He wants to get to know the people behind the story, not just that, if you think of the movie Star Wars, right? It's a great story. It's about a guy named Luke Skywalker. It's about Darth Vader. It's about these unique characters and the challenges they face between good and evil and success and failure and struggles with their family and struggles with their career, if you want. The movie is not about the Death Star and how big it is and how many years it took to create and how much money that was spent to build it. It's about the characters around it. And so I think when you're pitching a company or a product, you're pitching a Death Star and Death Star Inc. instead of pitching Luke Skywalker and Darth Vader and Han Solo and Princess Leia and the people that are behind that story. So when you're going to pitch Inc. or any other credible magazine, think about the story, build the story, find the story, uncover the story so they can tell the story more easily to their listeners. I think that's the most important thing you could do when it comes to media pitching, is have a story identified, not just facts and a company that you want to promote. Thanks for watching.